Here are 3 ways to turn on the flashlight on an iPhone. First, if your iPhone uses Face ID, then on the lock screen in the bottom left corner is a flashlight icon. Tap it once to turn the flashlight on. Tap it again to turn the flashlight off. Next, also from the lock screen, you can swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. There, you can tap the flashlight icon once to turn it on, again to turn it off, or if you tap and hold, you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight by dragging your finger up and down the screen. You can also access Control Center once you log into the phone, again by swiping down from the top right. Lastly, you can turn on the flashlight by using Siri. You can access Siri hands-free if you have that option turned on. Otherwise, you can access Siri manually by pressing the side button on the top right of the phone. Once you access Siri, you can either give a direct command, like turn on the flashlight, or you can simply say, flashlight.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Again, you can give a full command to turn it off, such as turn off the flashlight, or you can simply say, flashlight off.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
If you have an iPhone that uses Touch ID, you can still access the flashlight from the lock screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to open Control Center. Then you can tap the flashlight once to turn it on, tap it once to turn it off, or tap and hold to adjust the brightness. You can also access the flashlight from Control Center once you log into the phone by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. To turn on the flashlight using Siri on an iPhone that uses Touch ID, press and hold the Home button to access Siri manually. Flashlight.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
To turn it off, press and hold to activate Siri. Flashlight off.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.